What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. Now, in 2023, we have taken a look at a lot of different handguns. And so I thought it might be fun today to do my top 5 favorite handguns of 2023. Now, quick caveat that we are going to limit brands to just one spot on this list. So with that in mind, let's go. First one on the list today is going to be the Bersa Thunder 22X. Yep, a little 22 long rifle handgun from Bersa. A few things that I like about this. A couple of things actually. Number one is it actually has a decocker, and you don't see that too terribly often on 22 long rifles. Now, the Thunder 22X, the X designation, as far as I can tell, being the threaded barrel, I could take that or leave it, to be honest with you. What is impressive about this little 22 handgun is, talking with Bersa, they said, hey, you might have issues with lower velocity ammunition in this little handgun, but I gotta say that no matter what I've ran through this, it's performed pretty doggone well. And as far as accuracy, well, that's there too. Next up, we've got the RX-02S. Now, I'm a sucker for the way that a handgun feels, and I'm a sucker for grip texture. This thing checks both of those boxes without fail. The texture on the grip here, absolutely freaking amazing. Now, one thing a little embarrassing, I guess, about this is the very first video, I did not realize this thing has a decocker. Why? Well, most decockers work through the safety, but with the RX-02, the decocker works through the slide release there, which is a little bit weird. As far as reliability, as far as accuracy with the RX-02, those things are on point as well. Next up, we've got the XTAR EP45, and yes, technically this does qualify as a handgun. Now, this one right here, super hard to beat for range time fun. It's been accurate, it's been reliable, but I gotta say, being chambered in that 45 ACP cartridge with those heavy projectiles onto steel, this thing is a ton of fun out on the range. Before we finish out the list, we need your help to beat the algorithm. If you've been enjoying this video, jump down below, click that like button. And hey, if you want to join the family here on the channel, well, the subscribe button is below, and you can click that as well. This next one on the list is a product of that caveat at the top of the video. We've looked at a lot of things from Gerson in 2023 here on the channel. The MC 1911 10mm carry, the MC 14T, the Gerson high power lightweight, just to name a few. But ultimately, got to choose one, and it comes down to being the Witness 2311. Why? Well, just look at it. Double stack, 9mm, 1911, 2011, optics ready, flared mag well. This thing feels great. It looks phenomenal. So far, it has been reliable. So far, it has been accurate, and have really been enjoying this particular handgun from Gerson. And finally, we've got a sleeper here, the upset, I think, possibly for 2023. My favorite handgun, the Kiger 9C Pro. And you're thinking, wow, I'm surprised too, right? Yeah, that's the way I felt when I got to thinking about it. But this thing right here, all of the perks, all of the features, just everything you would want in a sweet looking handgun. Great stippling all over the place, great slide cuts so it looks good, optics ready, the higher profile sights. Now, one thing about this that was really amazing, and when I got to thinking about it, I thought it speaks to a larger issue, is how easily the mag drops free and slides in. There's almost no resistance until it clicks into place. That speaks to tolerances. So I think the overall design of this, I think that Anderson paid really good attention to everything in this handgun. It's reliable, it's accurate, it looks good, and yeah, my top pick for 2023. Now, if you picked up any handguns in 2023 and would like to share those finds with us, by all means, jump down, let us know something in the comments below. If you're curious about longer videos on a couple of the handguns that we covered today, well, got you a couple of videos locked and loaded right over here, and you can check those out if you want to. As for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom. Bye.